Arrived at the spot. Gonna see what we can do today. Nobody's here. Watch that mud though. It's kind of messy. Let's walk this way. You want to be in the video, Spencer, or no? Alright. So today I'm flying with my brother Spencer. He's gonna be my spotter for today. It's kind of humid out here. It's been raining non-stop. Literally just been raining non-stop. And it's funny because like yesterday when I was trying to fly, it just started raining. Like every single time it started raining. I was like, man, what the fuck? See if I can walk through here. Those shoes kind of fresh, so I don't know. You may want to take a path if you want, but it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not terrible. My brother got some fresh kicks on. I don't want him to fuck up his new shoes, man. I'm gonna walk this way. Voila. Let's see. I thought you can, oh yeah, you can get in right here. I'm trying to think. I think I want to fly right here. It's more straight trajectory. Alright. You see that? Appreciate it. Just gonna drop this bad boy off right here. Get some extra goggles. Next goggles I get, they're gonna be diversity, so they're gonna mix the signal. I won't see any fuzz when I'm flying. That's cool. That one was good though. Yeah, it's not bad, but it's just like if I really want to fly behind stuff and obstacles, I gotta get that steady view one. Yeah. To mix it. But when I get the other ones, just like if people spectate, they can look through the goggles, which is kind of cool. Thinking I should start bringing out like a mini table and just lay it out here as I put all my gear. That'd be pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? That'd be pretty clean. Oh son, stay gone. You're doing good. Well, don't stay gone. Just don't shine so bright. You know, apparently the sun's conscious. Like conscious, like how me and you are conscious, the same way. It kind of would make sense in a way. They just be popping out. No disrespect, son. You just real hot, man. Just trying to fly. Thank you. I swear, I thought it was about to rain in this motherfucker, dog. First flight. Yeah, right. fucking raining on us, man. Motherfucker. Every cloud, dog. Every cloud. Man.
Receiver still connected. Receiver still connected.
Kind of light though. Appreciate it, brother. Fuck out of here, man. Damn, it's annoying. We ain't left none, huh? Yeah, we good. Let's get out of here, brother. Watch your step.
Yeah.